Reena at your screen and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you guys some of my summer essentials for 2017. I'm going to share with you guys my makeup and my skincare essentials, and I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let go! Alright, so I'm going to start off with skincare. The first thing I have for you guys is a face wash, which I think is very important. You oily skin girls out there, please stop washing your face for more than thrice a day. I know it's going to be like, just thrice? Yes, only thrice. I think that is the max you should wash your face. I know you feel oily, I know you feel sticky, and you just feel that if you don't wipe up that excess oil, your skin will break out. But it actually works the other way around. You know, if you constantly keep removing the excess oil from your skin is going to think that, you know, it has a lack of oil and it's going to keep producing more and more oil. Please, it's very important to not overwash your face. And with that being said, my favorite face wash definitely hands down has to be my VLCC Wild Turmeric. And as you can see, like, I'm almost about to run out of this. Now I got mine from Star CJ. Like, I literally got this whole VLCC kit for I think ₹999, which was like a total steal deal. However, I'm pretty sure you can find this face wash online. I will leave the link to this in the description so you can have a look at it. So the ingredients in this product is all Ayurvedic and it's all 100% vegan, cruelty free, does not have any paraben and things like that, and this smells so good. And I really enjoy using this because, you know, every time I use this, I feel like it kills off any bacteria, any germs, any sort of excess gunk on my face, and just feels squeaky clean. And it's great for all skin types. Like, I have dry skin, it does not dry out my skin whatsoever. However, my brother has oily skin and even he likes it. It does not overly remove the oil of your face. So I think it's a definite must buy. Then the next thing I have is a toner, and this toner was recommended to me by you guys, and this is literally like my second bottle. Himalaya Clarifying Toner. And this is firstly so inexpensive. Like, this is just for ₹80 and you get 100 ml of product, which is like awesome. But it has a very good smell and it is so cooling. Like, I don't even keep it in my refrigerator, but it is still so cooling. It removes my makeup. I take almost 3 to 4 steps to remove my makeup, then go to face wash and then use this. But it still removes makeup, and that is just like mind-boggling to me. I'm like, how do you do it? Like, either my 4 products are not working or you are just too good at your job. And I'm going to hold on to this for quite some time. The next thing I have is a sunscreen. Obviously, like, you know, this is like an OG summer essentials. You gotta have sunscreen, otherwise it's not going to be official. And my favorite sunscreen definitely has to be my Lotus SPF 50. Now this particular one is matte gel finish, which is great for normal to oily skin. I have been using the sunscreen for quite some time. I do try to go to other sunscreens, but every time I get trust issues from them, I go back to this. And I have some of those trust issue types of sunscreen in my product empties. I haven't washed it already. I'll leave it somewhere here so you can have a look at it. Then the next thing I have is a moisturizer, and the one that I love, and I think it's great for all skin types because it's not one of those oily moisturizers, it's one of those hydrating moisturizers, which I think is so important because our skin is lacking of hydration. And my favorite moisturizer definitely has to be the Lakme moisturizer, and just spreads all evenly on your skin. So hydrating and it's so good. I really enjoy using this with or without makeup as well. And this also has SPF 24 PA++. Then the next thing I have, which I feel is very important, is to have masks on your face. Like, I'm not telling you to do mask every day because I think that's not possible. However, I would highly recommend you guys to give this mask a try. This is a peel off mask. It's their cucumber and almond peel off mask. It is so good. I really love it. It's just for ₹70 and I have used this so much, and it definitely is 100% natural. However, it's so good, and I have done so many peel off mask situations on my Snapchat. So if you follow me on my Snapchat, you know how much I love this product. I know the first question you will ask me with this is, does it hurt? Nope, it does not hurt whatsoever. However, I wouldn't say that this removes your blackheads and whiteheads 100%. Everything will be off your face. Nope, not really. However, it will remove 50% of the gunk of your face. All you have to remember is that do not go with a thin layer because, you know, it's very hard to peel off. Go with a thicker layer. Then the next thing I have, and that is the Nivea Whitening Deodorant. I like the roll-on form much better than the whole spray-on form. I don't know, I just feel with the spray-on, it's just like everywhere instead of where it's supposed to be. You need to have a deodorant because, I mean, it's so hot outside, and especially in Mumbai where it's hot and humid, you need something like this to control your sweat. I can definitely tell you that it is great for controlling your sweat and the odor. Now I personally don't have any odor problem. However, like, you know, every time I clean off my underarm at night, which you have to do, it's very important. Do not sleep with your deodorant underneath your armpit for the entire night. It's not good, okay? So every time I remove it off, my underarm still smells of this deodorant, which is awesome. Then the last thing I have is a spray, you know, so that you can smell good and fresh. And the one which I'm obsessed with recently is this by Naturals. It's their Aqua Mist, and as you can see, I've used quite a lot of it, and I use this almost every single day. The smell is so good. I love it. So good. I don't have to use more than 3 to 4 sprays of this for my entire body. And that's all we have for our skincare. Now let's move on to some makeup. So let's go. Alright, I think it's very important to use a sanitizer before you start putting makeup on your face, because usually the bacteria are much more active in summers than in any other season. Definitely make sure that you use a sanitizer before touching your face. It's very important. Don't take it lightly. The first thing I have for you is a foundation recommendation, because I know it's so difficult to put on makeup, especially in this humid, crazy, hot weather outside. And my personal favorite definitely has to be the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. Now I know it's a little heavy foundation and you'll be like, nope, I don't think so, I'm going to use that. I think this is the longest wearing foundation I own in my collection. And I know it's a full coverage foundation, however, you can go light-handed with this, and you can use it like a medium coverage. And if you are still not sure, you can use your foundation and mix in a little bit of moisturizer, so that it works like a BB cream, and then apply it on your face, because ultimately for you is what is important is your base makeup to last long. And this stuff lasts so long, it almost feels waterproof, sweat proof, and just lasts forever on my face, and I am addicted to this product. So I think it's a definite must have. The next recommendation I have for you guys, which I think is for all the girls out there who love that glowy finish, and that definitely has to be my Color Bar Illuminating Lotion. I think it's so beautiful and I cannot live a day without this. Like, even for days when I'm not wearing makeup, I love to mix this with my moisturizer, and I just have this beautiful healthy looking skin, and it's a definite must have. Then the next thing I have, again for people who love their no makeup glow, which I have done a makeup tutorial on. If you haven't already watched it, I'll leave it somewhere here so you can have a look at it. And also I've used this product in my glowy foundation routine. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave it somewhere here again. The product I'm talking about is my Freedom Pro Highlighter. It's such a pretty highlighter and it's so soft. Oh my god, look at that. Very natural highlighters for people who are beginners in makeup. You can use it as a natural highlighter. However, you can build this highlighter to make it look like bang on your face kind of highlighter. Very versatile. You can play around with this product, and I think it's definitely must have for me. And the next must have I have for you guys is my Maybelline Compact. It's the Super Fresh Compact, and this is in the shade Shell. It is such a good compact, especially if you're someone who has oily skin or who sweats a lot. I sweat a lot on my upper lip for some reason, and it is so good. It does not get cakey and it's so finely milled. I love the scent of this, and overall I really love it. The next product I have is a brow product, and this one has to be my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Now the reason I'm recommending this to you, because it's so long lasting, and again it's waterproof, which means it is sweat proof for Mumbai people out there, and it is such a great pencil. It's just for ₹40. You can find it in your local stores. I tried finding it online, but I just couldn't find. However, I'll try if any Instagram store has it and things like that, and I'll leave it in the description. I love this pencil. It's a great one. It's beautiful. It's so pigmented and I love it. The next thing I have, which is not exactly like a product, but I think it's so important and I've been constantly using it, and that is a sponge. Now it doesn't necessarily has to be the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. It could be any sponge. The reason I'm telling you to get a sponge, because you know, every time your makeup is sweaty, take the sponge, dry, and just put it on your face. And this is something I've been constantly doing throughout this video, but this will pick up all the sweat from your face at the same time. It will, you know, not budge or, you know, pick up any makeup, and even if it does, it will help you to blend it off. You need to have a sponge in your bag. And for my lipsticks, I have two. First one definitely has to be Red Chaos. It's such a pretty color by Lakme, the 9 to 5 range. I love it. It's very pretty. Color has to be from Matte Me in color, shade 215. Such a pretty color. As you can see, I'm a lot into mauves and pinks. And well, yeah, that's all I had for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That would really mean a lot to me. And also, I upload videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean a world to me. And also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you become a part of the notification squad. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.